Today, I am reviewing the Bromic Affinity Smart Heat Dimmer Controller. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing to understand about this controller is the sheer power it is designed to handle. We are talking about 2 channels, each capable of supporting 6,000 watts, for a total of 12,000 watts of power handling. This is not for a little space heater you plug into a wall outlet. This is professional-grade hardware designed for 208 to 277 volt, 2-phase power systems. If you have been looking for a way to control high-output electric heaters, particularly the Platinum or Tungsten series from Bromic, this controller acts as the brain for that entire heating ecosystem. It brings the power of commercial-grade heating into a format that you can actually interface with. The design is industrial, finished in a gray that feels like it belongs on a commercial exterior wall. It carries an IP54 weather-resistant rating, which is essential because this is meant to be installed outdoors. It is rated to operate in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 86 degrees Fahrenheit. While that temperature range covers most residential patio environments, it is worth keeping in mind that extreme desert heat or extreme Arctic cold might push the limits of its operating environment, so placement is key. You want to make sure it is mounted in a spot where it is protected from the absolute worst of the direct weather, even if it is built to survive it. Where this controller actually shines is the integration of smart connectivity. We are at a point where we expect our outdoor systems to be as smart as our indoor ones, and the Affinity controller delivers this through a combination of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Using the Bromic Heating App, you can get control over your patio zones without having to physically walk over to a wall panel. The Bluetooth range is cited at about 30 feet, which is usually plenty for a patio area, while the Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to manage the system even when you're not right there. This is a big win for convenience, especially if you have an outdoor area that is separated from the main house. Being able to fire up the heaters before you head out into the cold is a genuine quality-of-life improvement. However, let's be honest about the complexity. This is not a plug-and-play device for the average homeowner. Because of the voltage and the wattage involved, this requires a professional electrical installation. If you are not comfortable working with high-voltage, 2-phase electrical systems, this is absolutely not a project you should tackle yourself. The cost of the unit is just one part of the equation. You also need to factor in the professional labor required to install and integrate it correctly. It is a robust system, but it demands respect in terms of safety and proper wiring. The dimming functionality is another point to consider. It is designed to give you that instant control, allowing you to run your heaters at full capacity or shut them down completely. The dimming is meant to be straightforward, avoiding the clunky or unreliable behavior you sometimes see with lower quality dimmers that cause heaters to flicker or buzz. Because this is designed specifically for Bromic heating elements, the integration is smooth. It communicates perfectly with their units, ensuring that you get the warmth you expect without the technical headaches. Who is this for? It is clearly for the homeowner who has invested in a professional-level outdoor heating installation and wants to maintain that high level of performance throughout their entire control system. It is for the person who values a clean, unified, and smart-enabled outdoor space. If you have a large patio with multiple zones of heating, the ability to control those channels independently is a massive advantage. You can effectively manage the heat output in one section of the patio while leaving another off, which is the kind of customization that makes a high-end patio truly usable year-round. On the other hand, who should skip this? If you are running small, plug-in electric heaters, or if you do not have the electrical infrastructure to support a 2-phase, 208-277V system, this is not the right product for you. It would be like buying an industrial tractor for a small container garden. It is also not the right product if you are not interested in app-based control, or if you prefer a simpler, purely manual switch setup. Sometimes, the added complexity of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is just more than what a user wants to manage, and if you just want a simple on-off switch, there are definitely cheaper and simpler ways to achieve that. There are also the realities of smart technology to keep in mind. While Wi-Fi connectivity is great, it also means that the device is dependent on your local network. If your Wi-Fi is spotty in your backyard, you might find the remote features to be unresponsive at times. You also need to ensure that the firmware for the controller stays updated through the app to maintain that smooth performance. It is a digital device in an analog environment, and that brings a slight level of maintenance and technical dependency that you would not have with a basic mechanical switch. Another consideration is the price point. This is a premium component, and it is priced accordingly. You are paying for the power handling, the smart connectivity, and the brand-specific optimization. For someone building out a luxury outdoor living space, this is a reasonable cost, but for someone just looking to add a bit of heat to a small deck, it is likely overkill. You really have to view this as a permanent, long-term installation that adds value to your property and enhances the utility of your outdoor space. When you think about the user experience, it really is about that seamless feeling. There is something very satisfying about the simplicity of being able to tap your phone and feel the heat radiating across the patio within seconds. It removes the friction of having to adjust hardware manually. That said, the physical build of the controller is solid, and for those times when you do not have your phone on you, the interface on the controller itself needs to be considered. It is designed to be functional, but the main interaction point is definitely the mobile app. Make sure your smartphone ecosystem is compatible with the Bromic app before you commit to the purchase, as that is the gateway to the experience. If you look at the competition, there are not many controllers that bridge the gap between high-power electrical load management and consumer-friendly smart features quite like this one. A lot of the industrial controllers out there are ugly, complicated, and require proprietary control interfaces that look like they belong in a factory. Bromic has managed to take that level of power and make it feel like a modern home appliance. It occupies a very specific niche, and it fills that niche well. One thing that might disappoint some users is the lack of voice integration features that some might expect from a smart device. While it handles Wi-Fi and Bluetooth well, it is not always guaranteed to be a seamless integration into broader smart home ecosystems like those involving advanced voice assistants. If your goal is to set up complex automations, it is worth checking the latest documentation to see exactly what the current capabilities are. It is a control system first and foremost, and it prioritizes the stability of the heating output over having a million bells and whistles. In terms of the gray finish and the physical aesthetics, it is unobtrusive. It is not trying to be a centerpiece, which is a good thing. It looks professional and clean, which helps it blend into the side of a modern outdoor living area. The IP54 rating is something that gives you confidence, but it is always good to remember that even weather-resistant devices appreciate being tucked away under a small overhang if possible. It will prolong the life of the plastic housing and keep the look clean for much longer than if it were exposed to direct, heavy rain or intense, constant sunlight all day, every day. Regarding the setup, the documentation from Bromic is generally clear, but again, because this deals with high-voltage electricity, you're going to be relying on your electrician to get the job done right. They will need to ensure the wiring gauge is appropriate for the load, the grounding is perfect, and the phases are balanced. If those foundational electrical steps are done properly, the controller itself is very reliable. It is a set-it-and-mostly-forget-it type of device. Overall, the Bromic Affinity Smart Heat Dimmer Controller is a high-performance solution for a high-performance heating problem. It is not the kind of item you purchase on a whim. It is a deliberate choice for a deliberate project. It provides a level of control and convenience that standard switches just cannot match, and it does so while maintaining a design that respects the need for durability in an outdoor setting. It is essentially the professional way to manage your outdoor comfort. If you have the setup that requires it, it is a piece of hardware that is going to make your patio feel like a much more refined and usable space. It handles the power, it provides the smarts, and it stays out of your way, which is exactly what a good controller should do. There is a certain honesty in this product. It does not try to be an entertainment hub or a security device. It is focused entirely on the business of moving power to heat elements. That narrow focus is a strength. It means the software is optimized for one thing, and the hardware is overbuilt for the task. For someone who has spent thousands of dollars on high-end electric heaters, the price of this controller is a logical step to ensure that those heaters are utilized to their full potential. It is an investment in the longevity and the performance of your outdoor living area, and for the right buyer, it is a completely worthwhile addition that elevates the entire experience of being outside in the evening. When you consider the potential downsides, it really is limited to the installation costs, the technical requirements, and the dependence on the app. These are not flaws in the product as much as they are realities of dealing with high-voltage, connected hardware. If you go into the purchase with your eyes open to those factors, you are going to find a lot to like. It is a solid, well-thought-out piece of kit that performs its duty with quiet reliability. There is very little drama with this device, and in the world of outdoor electrical control, a lack of drama is perhaps the highest compliment you can give. When you are finally sitting on your patio on a cool night and you can just pull out your phone and bring the area to the perfect temperature without leaving your seat, you will understand why this controller exists. It is about removing the effort and simply enjoying the space you have created. That is the true value of the Bromic Affinity system. It isn't just a switch, it is the enabler of comfort. It is the bridge between a high-tech heating system and your ability to actually enjoy that heat exactly how you want it. For a permanent patio installation, it is a choice that makes a lot of sense, provided you have the proper electrical foundation to support it. It is efficient, it is smart, and it is built to last, which covers all the bases for a serious homeowner looking to get the most out of their outdoor environment. If you are currently in the planning stages for a patio project, or if you are looking to upgrade an existing system that has grown beyond the capacity of standard wall controls, take a look at the specs for this unit. It covers such a wide range of power handling that it makes it very easy to centralize your controls. Instead of having 5 different switches, you might be able to handle everything through this one controller. That is a cleaner look and a much better user experience. It is about simplifying your space while simultaneously increasing your control over it, and that is a balance that the Bromic Affinity handles with a lot of maturity.